This Our Adventure book scrapbook was sent to me by the brand, and it's one of the most charming, well-crafted keepsakes I have seen. Right from unboxing, the details stand out. It comes beautifully packaged in a gift box with bookmark cards and stickers included, ready for you to start creating or to give as a thoughtful present. The colorful, three-dimensional lettering on the cover has that classic Up movie-inspired design, giving it a warm, nostalgic feel. Inside, you get 73 thick sheets, pages, made from high-quality, acid-free craft paper that's built to last for years without fading. There's even a sturdy storage pocket at the back for tickets, stamps, or little travel mementos. Each page has a slightly different vintage style, giving your scrapbook personality and room for creativity, whether you're journaling, sketching, or adding photos. It holds over 300 pictures, so there's plenty of space to tell your story. I also love how compact enough to slip into a backpack for travel journaling or a weekend adventure. If you're looking for a meaningful, beautifully designed scrapbook for anniversaries, travel memories, or as a special gift, this Our Adventure book is the perfect blend of quality, creativity, and heartfelt design.